The importance of these ordinances and regulations can be: number one, of course, the safety and security laws in NAIA, OceanJet, and hotels ensure safety travel for passengers, for the baggage checks, check-in times, and fire safety sanitation. And structural integrity in like Marco Polo Hotel. Proper handling and hygiene at restaurants like Cebu House of Lechon, and environmental protection for places like Lobok River Cruise and Bohol Shores ordinances. Protect natural resources to regulate waste disposal and limit pollution. Preserve ecosystem for long-term tourism. We have here as well as the tourism quality and experience. Of course, regulations help maintain high service standards in cruises, hotels, and restaurants. Organized fare system and guest protocols. Discounted rates, operating hours. Accessibility and comfort such as DOT complaint accommodations. Health and public welfare, especially importance during and after the COVID-19 pandemic. Dining protocols at House of Lechon, health screening for travelers, and proper hygiene in transit hubs. Cultural and wildlife preservation, attractions like Lobok River and Tarsier sanctuaries. Respectful tourism that doesn't harm local wildlife.